What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in. We'll do a fun video on this crate box that I just got in for my TMNT NECA collection that you can kind of see behind me. Now first, let me say, guys, this is a car channel, so for any of my car people, my bad. Just do a quick little video. It's fun. It's some other hobbies that I'm into. Obviously, if I do more videos like this, I'll probably create a separate channel, but I figured why not? Let's do a video on, as you guys clicked, the Loot Crate NECA TMNT box. First things first, I did think the box was bigger, so but without further ado, guys, let's open it up. Once again, guys, here's the box. Let's go ahead and get this opened up, shall we? Without further ado, alright, so let's take a look at what comes in the package here. We got some pins of Raphael and Casey Jones. And pretty nice. T-shirt, huh? I think I'll have to try this on real quick, huh? And voila, there it is. Now, I am a 2XL. I ordered a 2XL, and just in case anyone wants to know, fits pretty nicely. So, the main package here is Danny boy. Here we go. So this is what main pieces. Pretty nice. Gotta figure out where to add them now. I'm running out of space. I don't know. I think it kind of looks kind of good up there. I might have to. Let's see if this helps with the lighting. Not at all. Okay. Not at all. So I'll keep them there for now. I don't know where. As you can see, I'm kind of starting to run out of space. At least for the turtle stuff. This room's a mess, by the way. I'm really trying not to show you guys like how bad of a mess this room really is. So the last item in here is a really cool coaster with the Shredder turtles, maybe the original turtles. And some join the Luke. Cool. This kind of shows you everything comes in the box. That's pretty cool. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. I can tell you the figure, as to be expected from NECA, it's pretty detailed. I like it a lot. Actually, it looks like the green in Danny's shirt kind of matches the green in my shirt, so I'm assuming that wasn't on purpose. But nice detailed figure. There's going to be plenty of videos on people opening these up. I don't really plan to open this up at the moment. But I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you smash that like button. If you do want to see more videos like this, I know I am a car channel. This will be remaining a car channel. But if you want to see more videos like this, smash the subscribe button. Comment below. Did you guys order this? Do you like it? Do you think it's worth the money? And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.